I'm Dr. Jolly, originally from India, but now based in Nairobi.
Caroline, dancer, Nairobi.
You are the dancer too?
Yeah, I'm also a dancer, though I'm their manager.
Oh, you're the manager but still the dancer? You are the dancer?
Yes, I'm the dancer. I'm dancing with my friend Benza. And we are bringing a new concept of Afro Kathak. It is a fusion of African and Indian classical dance.
So what is the name of your dance crew? And how many are you in the dance crew?
No, we are two. We are two of us.
Two of you?
Just two of us. We are going a duet. We're going as a duet entry, and it's a new concept of a fusion of Indian classical and African dance together.
What's the name of the crew?
We are called as Afro Kathak. Kathak is the Indian classical dance form, so it's originally from North and Northeastern India. So we are doing a fusion of that.
How are you feeling right now?
Yeah, we have butterflies in our stomach.
And it's the rehearsal day. You have butterflies. I thought you trained yourself to be confident and everything, but definitely you need to have that anxiety at some point.
Yes. But we have trained because we wanted to bring this new concept. So let's see, God's willing.
Do you have confidence you're going to win?
Yes.
It's a new dance, and we're the first people who introduced the Afro Kathak in Kenya. So we are praying they have a positive vibe, and God willing.
Yes, and people like it. We get a good feedback from the audience and the judges because it's a new thing. Absolutely, never it's been done before.
Do you have a dance class or something?
Yes.
You have a dance class?
I have, but I do for Kathak only because I'm specialized in that and they are into their form. So we are just working together now.
Oh, that's great. It's so great to interact with you guys. I just want to see your performance and everything and how you're going to bring out the dance. You know, I love dance and I love seeing how the way people dance.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you too.
Thank you. Okay, hi.
Hi.
So I've been told that you're doing a duet with her.
Yeah.
With what's her name? I just forgot her name.
So it's Afro Kathak.
Afro
Dr. Jolly, yeah, we're doing Dr. Jolly, Ben King and Dr. Jolly. So me, I'm doing African and contemporary, and then she's doing Indian dance, classical Indian. So we combine it, so we call it an Afro Kathak. A Kathak is the dance from India.
So if I'm told you have a dance class, right?
Yeah, I have a dance classes.
So for you, you teach Afro?
For me, I teach African, the traditional one.
The traditional one.
And then the contemporary, and then gymnastic.
Ah, nice. Why do I feel like I've met you somewhere?
I was in Dancer Freak season 1 as a crew, season 2, and even have a music. I have a song, yeah.
Wow, so where are you based? Your dance class and everything?
Okay, I have a studio. We made a studio in Kayole Junction, and we have a studio at YMCA, and we have a studio in Parkland. Yeah.
How are you feeling right now before you get into the rehearsals now?
I don't say that I'm used to, but it's like
You got anxiety. You don't look like you.
I'm feeling like because this is a new thing I'm doing, the Afro Kathak. So I don't understand kama wasi wataelewa, but I decree and declare that what I understand whatever we are doing.
I will definitely understand because I feel like once it's more of, I don't understand the dance, but is it more of a lyrical dance or something?
It's more of lyrical because it's a contemporary, African contemporary, our culture. And then she's coming with his own culture.